Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to talk about the Lexus GX460 Premium 2023. We will provide you a complete review about Lexus GX460 2023. If you are watching our video for the first time, make sure to like and subscribe our channel and also press the bell icon for new latest car. So let's dive into the video without wasting your time. Lexus GX460 Premium 2023 is an SUV car. It gets the warranty of 4-year 50,000 mile basics, 6-year 60,000 mile maintenance, and 7-year 70,000 mile roadside assistance. The available color of this car is atomic silver, black onyx, and the Nebulia grey metallic, nightfall mica, and starfire petals. It consists of 5 doors and 7 seats. Gasoline is a fuel type. It is made in Lexus Motor Company. If we talk about its performance, Lexus GX460 Premium 2023 provided a 4.6 LV8 engine that produced 301 HP, 55,000 RPM and 329 lb-ft of torque. It has 8 cylinders. It gives the fully automatic transmission with 4-wheel drive, as well as its front suspension is strut and the rear suspension is multi-link. It provides power steering with rack and pinion and the minimum turning radius of P to 60 feet, and the wheel size is 18 in 7 inches. Premium is a fuel type that gets the mileage of 15 mpg in a city and the 19 mpg on the highway. If we talk about its features, there are Bluetooth, Wi-Fi hotspot, audio input, MP3 player, DVD player, touch screen, rear speakers. If we talk about its safety, it has anti-lock braking, central locking backup camera, tire pressure monitor, power door locks, child safe. The price of this car is $56,340 US.